U Dr. Amanwar Director ke Health Service henna ka santarik unailor ulap tip banak shispa prapu armut ke bayo COVID-19 mentakas ni shispa arpu ingut ke na is kasil sesrek hakaba khandai pinyongut ke ki high risk case sangut ke armed force paramilitary force khat sangut ke batrai civil hospital kan thop ya nyongut ke staff nurse iwei doctor but iwei staff nurse na Ganesh Das Hospital kilai puingut ki bana riboy dusre ki dei khat laingut na ki armed force paramilitary force but khat rangut ki high risk case na ki khat sangut ki bayo COVID-19 na East Garo Hills district ki dei khat sangut ki nongshong dukan hayo rongjang but iwei i high risk case ki armut na North Garo Hills kilong iwei ide ibon phai na barjala but iwei i high risk case na West Garo Hills ki don khat armut ki bayo COVID-19 mentagas ngi ki bakun thup ya iwei i high risk case iwei ibadon ya ka jingpang baya surya ya ka jingpang bayong khli ne ka influenza like illness nyongut ki armed force paramilitary force iwei ibon phai na barjala iwei ibatrai hagi chaka sumar but armut ki high risk case
East Khas Hills 121, 97 are high risk cases, 5 armed forces paramilitary forces, 15 are health workers, and out of these 15, 7 are staff nurses in Civil Hospital Shillong, 6 other staffs of Civil Hospital Shillong, 1 doctor at Ganesh Das Government MCH Hospital, and 1 staff nurse in the same hospital. Briboy 31, 13 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 18 are high risk cases. East Garo Hills 15, 14 are shopkeepers at Rongjang Bazaar, 1 is a high risk case at Rongjang Bazaar. North Garo Hills 2, 1 is a returnee and 1 is a high risk case. West Khas Hills 1 is a high risk case. West Garo Hills 12, 1 is an ILI case, 7 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 1 is a returnee, 1 a health worker, and 2 are high risk cases.